Okay, so today we'll see the SketchUp user interface. Okay, so after double click on the SketchUp logo, so this window will become. Okay, so this is the welcome screen. Okay, so in the welcome screen you can see the files, learn, license, open file, and some templates is there, create new model. So there is the templates. Okay, this is the SketchUp software. Yeah, so this is using for the interior design. Okay, creating 3D models, you can design the 3D objects also. Okay, so this software used for the 3D design. So there is first one is create new model. So in this create new model, there is some templates. Okay. So this is simple inches, architectural inches, simple meter, architectural meter. So if you have any architectural design or drawing, so that time you can use the architectural inches. Okay. So you don't have any architectural drawing. So you want to create your drawing. So you can choose simple or architectural. Okay. So you can choose millimeter also, centimeter also, meter also. Okay. So generally we are working with the inches, architectural inches. Then there is one file option. So and another is learning option. So in this learn option you can see there is some tutorials. Okay, this is SketchUp provided some tutorials for the beginners, so you can learn from here also. So just click on the this tutorials, and this is opening the tutorial. This is from the SketchUp community. Right. Okay, we'll see later. And this is license. So if you have any valid license, then you can put it there. Okay. And there is one more option. This is open file. So you have any recent file you were in the previous file you want to open, then you can click on open file and then choose the file location and open this file. Okay. So, and some about below the open file, there is recent files. Okay. So recent will work on this canteen design. And this is restaurant design, bedroom design. So you can see the recent work here. So you can directly click here and this open. Okay. So now we'll choose the architectural inches and click on the architectural inches. After clicking this architectural inches, so now see, this is the work area. It's called user interface. Okay. So this is the SketchUp user interface. So in this first thing there is file name. Okay, there is file name the dash SketchUp Pro 2020. This is 2020 version, so that's why it's 2020. Okay, so file name we didn't save any file right now. Okay, after we'll save, so control S, then we'll give the name. So we'll make the cupboard. So then enter it. So see here, cupboard dash SketchUp Pro 2020. Okay. So first one is SketchUp logo, then file name, what is the file, and SketchUp Pro 2020. Okay. So below the this file name there is menu bar. Okay. So file, edit, view, camera, draw, tools, windows, extensions, and help. Okay. So in the file menu, you can see new. You can create new file also. Okay. Then we'll open it. Okay. There is new file. Then you can open it your previous file also. What? This is inbuilt actually. This is our middle point. We'll go to that. Okay. Just see. In the file menu, there is save as. What you know? What is the difference between save and save as? What is the difference between save and save as? I don't know. So what is meant by save? You have any work, you can save it. Okay. And what is the difference between save as? So as it is file, you can save in another name. Okay. So it's like copy, but with the another names. Okay. Same file. We have covered file. We want to save another copy. So we can save as a covered one. Okay. So you can make copy. Right? Understand? So this is the difference. Then there is some another menus. Okay, another options, import, export. We'll see later. Okay. Then next is edit option. Next is edit option. In this edit option, there is undo. Okay, undo, redo. Okay, cut, copy, paste. You know, I think these all commands, right? Yeah. So this is same command in every software and every operations. Okay, delete also. And another is view. So view. So what is the view? This is toolbar. Okay. So this is the toolbar. So you can view in the view menu. You can enable this toolbars and everything. Just see. This is show hidden geometry. After the click here toolbars, then come here. See, there is camera, classify. This is the options. Yeah. So this is the toolbars. Okay, and this is also the toolbar. Okay. So we need first we need to draw for the draw. There is the line tool. Okay, this is the line tool. With the help of this line tool, we can draw any line in any direction like this. Okay, with the help of the line tool, we can create many shapes. Okay, after that freehand tool. So freehand tool, if you want any sketch, so you can use this freehand tool. It's similar to line, but you can use this freehand with the freehands. Okay, then another one is rectangle tool. Okay, we'll delete it. This another one is rectangle. Okay, so you can create with the rectangle tool. One is the rectangle. Okay, okay. So there is the rectangles. We'll delete this also. This is for the pure point. This is our main point. This is 0, 0, 0. This is x-axis. This is y. Oh, sorry. This is z-axis. This is x and this is y. Okay. In the red color, this is x-axis. This is horizontal. Right. This is depth, y-axis. Okay, and for the height we'll use the z-axis every time. Okay. So in the 3D we are using three axes, three dimensions. Okay. Now there is arcs, some arcs. We can use this for the doors, right? Just click on the first point, then for when you want to start the arc and when you want to end the arc. Okay, so this is the arc. I'll tell you in detail. So first we'll see the overview. Okay, this is the move tool. Okay, if you have any box here, so you want to move, then you can select the box, you can click on the move and you can move it. Okay, so this is the move tool. Then after this is the rotate. Okay, then click here and you can rotate it in any direction. Okay, just wait, I'll give you. Okay, after this there is scale tool, so you can scale it up to in the any axis. You can scale it in y axis, you can scale it in z axis, you can scale it in x axis also. Okay, see, after this we'll delete this first. Okay, then we'll create one rectangle. Okay, and we want the make 3D. Okay, we want to give the height for this rectangle. So there is one option, it's called push pull. Okay, so if you click on push pull, then select the surface, and if you want to push, if you want to pull, then you can pull it. If you want to push, then you can push. Okay, whatever height you want to give, then you can push and pull. Okay, so and after this you can push pull any direction. Okay, in x, in y, in z. Okay, so you got it. So what is the push pull? This is the main command in the sketch. Okay, because there is all 2D shapes, right? If you want to make it in 3D, okay, convert in 3D, so you want push pull. See here, there is one circle. Huh? If you want to make 3D, then you can go and push pull and then give the height. Then it's coming in 3D, right? Okay. So now, Sai, तुला करायचं नाही का क्लासला? साई, तुला करायचं नाही क्लासला? Okay, I'll tell you. Huh? In the circle, actually there is edges. Okay, circle created by help of the edges, many layer edges. So see, this is the square or rectangle. So how many edges are there? 4 edges, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 edges, right? So in this, if we are increasing the edges, number of edges, then this is making circle. Okay. See, there is one option. So see, now we have how many edges? Okay, so many edges we have. Delete it first. Now see only the this menu bar. Okay, so now this is the toolbar. There is option, create one box here, use the push pull. Okay, so in this toolbar, this is the option. See, what is this? X-ray. Okay, so in X-ray you can, you know the human X-ray. Okay, so we can see the bones, right? So it's same as it is. So you can see the hidden edges in the X-ray mode. Okay, next one is back edge. Okay, so in the X-ray mode you can see the hidden edges and face also. Okay, this is the face, this is the edge, and the point is vertex, right? Okay, after this edge viewpoint na, so you can see the hidden edges only the edges, you can't see the faces, right? Okay, after that this is the wireframe. So you can't see the faces in the wireframe. You can see only the edges. Okay. Huh. And another one is hidden line. Same as it is in the wireframe. Only you can see the hidden lines. Then this is the solid. Okay. Shaded. It's called shaded. And this shaded with texture. If we have any texture for this, see. In the shaded mode, only see the color. Only see, we can see the shade only. Okay. But in the texture, shaded with the texture, we can see the texture also. See, right? This texture you can see. So this is the difference between shaded mode and texture with shaded mode. Okay. And after this is the monograph. This we are not using right now. Actually, this I'll tell you later. Okay. So this is the shaded texture. So when we are using the texture mode, texture with shaded, after the complete design, and we need to see the, I want to see the textures, how it look, right? So that time we are using the shaded with the texture mode. Okay. So generally we are using shaded or wireframe. Okay, or X-ray also. So now, so this is the viewport. Okay, so and next is, this is the extension, it's called Inkscape. So I'll tell you later. This is the renderers actually. So we'll see first the modeling part. Okay, this is the extensions, this Inkscape, it's V-Ray. Okay, this is the another part. I'll delete it right now actually. Lighting also, it's not required. Also not required. Okay, now see, so this is the view. Okay, so this is the perspective view. In the 3D modeling, this is how many views? You know, you have idea how many views in the 3D modeling? Front, side, okay, top, bottom, okay, left side, right side, and perspective. Okay, 4 view, 5 view, 6 view, plus 1, 7 views, right? Up, down, left, right, front, back, and perspective. Okay, so this is the perspective, right? And this is one is top view. Okay, this one is front view. This one is right. This is back. and this is left. Okay, so this is used for the views. Okay, if you want any work in top view, then you can use the top view. Okay, this is the front view. If you want any, you want make any door or anything in the front side, then you can use the front. Okay, and this is the perspective. Okay, so now we'll create the model.
You said there are 7 views.
Yeah.
For an option, there's only 5 views.
So we are using only top view, na? Right? This is the top, right? So we can't any work in the bottom view because we are starting from the bottom, right? Okay. And same as it is with the front, back, left, right, top, bottom. This is 6 na. So one is missing, only the bottom, right? So now you have the cupboard project. Okay. So we'll make the cupboard design in the sketch. So first of all, what is your unit? Okay. So how to set the unit in this SketchUp? Okay. So for that you can go in the Windows menu. Okay. After this, model info. Then this is units. You can see the units here. Okay. So there is architectural, okay, inches and 0 inches, 0 inches, 0 inches, okay, and set. Okay. So now we'll create the box, one box. So what is the length and width of your cupboard? But what is the length and width? Just tell me the length. What is the length? Length is, we'll give it 8 feet, 8 feet, comma, and width is 2 feet, right? Enter. Okay. उल्टा हो गया यहाँ पे. So we'll make it again. 2 feet, comma, 8 feet. Okay. So this is the 8 feet and this is the 2 feet. So now we want to give the height. So what is the height? It's 10. So first we'll make the 8 feet. Okay, then we'll extend the 2 feet part. Okay, this is the loft now. So first main cupboard is 8 feet height. Okay, so we'll give the 8 feet. See. So we can get this shape, right? So this is the correct shape. So in the 8 feet we want to create the 4 doors, right? Because of no, we'll create it for now. We can make it whatever you want. Okay. So for this we want to create one lines because there is no lines now. Okay. So we want to divide this surface, this edge or this space. Okay. So for that we'll see how to make the how to divide this. You know how to divide it. Yeah. So click on the line, right click and the divide option. Okay. Divide option. Then see if we are moving cursor, this points are increasing or decreasing. Right. So we want 5 doors or 4 doors. Okay. We'll give the 4 doors. Then we'll select the line tool. Then see. If you have any point now, then this cursor is in change in the green color. See here. So here also one point. See Here also 1 point. See, here also. There is many points actually. Full 8 feet. Select it. Divide in 3. Okay. No, it's not 3.
So if you divide in 3, it will be more also.
Ah, okay. We will divide upper layer, upper edge. Okay. 4 seconds right now. See, there is 1 point. The middle also 1 point. Okay. So we got the 4 dividation. Okay.
Yes.
So 4 door we have right now. Then we want to create skirting. Skirting, right? So there is standard height for skirting. This is 3 or 4 inches. So we'll create the 3 inches. Okay. So, so we don't know what is the 3 inches, how many height. So for that there is one tool. Okay. It's called tape measurement tool.
Tape measurement.
See, there is. This is the tape measurement tool. So you can click here and give the measurement. Okay, 3 inches. Enter. So you can see there is created one guideline.
Yeah.
Right? Then you can select the line tool and make one line. Okay. Then push pull and skirting is back. Right?
Right.
स्कर्टिंग हमेशा थोड़ी पीछे होती है 2 इंच राइट काफी आता है जैसे बाद में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया तो okay we'll select the face and push right or pull what is this push na 2 inches enter okay then double click on this is actually okay double click on this double click on this okay so you got the skirting right now okay so this is the doors okay but in the doors there are small gap for the opening the doors right okay so how to create this gap so see right now there is one option so it's called offset okay so I'll select the offset and then go to face and click on the face so see what is it there is create one frame right it's a one border inside right okay so we want to create the gap so we'll give the point to 0.02 inches 0.75 this is the height of the board door this is the thickness of the door this is 0.2 inches okay see here see okay I'll show you just see here otherwise you can use 0.2 inches okay so for the every door we'll double click 0.2 inches Okay. After this, we'll push and pull. Okay. So push and we'll give the door thickness 0.75 inches. Okay. And after this, double click, double click, double click. Okay. It's similar. See here. It's looking like door. Right? See, this is the gap. This is the gap. ये fan लगाओ ना. And open this also. Okay? See? Okay?
Yes, sir.
See the gap. Okay? So now it's looking like the real cupboard. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
So you know the. So after this, we want to create the loft. So for between the loft and wardrobe, we have some space.
Yes.
Okay, so it's 3 inches space. Okay, so this is the 3 inches distance. Okay, after this, we will give the. So, if you observe this loft, this is front on the cupboard depth and the loft depth is the difference, right? So, loft depth is the 2 inch bigger than the cupboard, right? So, वो क्या है कि थोड़ा सामने निकला हो, right? Because easy to open the door, right? So, we'll create it, we'll extrude it. So, we'll take one measurement here, then here 1 inch. Okay, and after that we'll make one line. Okay, and then push pull 2 inches. Double click, and double click. Okay, see here, it's come 2 inches. Okay, after this, what is the height of the loft? 2 feet. So 2 feet, right? Huh? So how to create the door right now? How to create the gap? Tell me.
You need to go to that option where you did
Offset menu, right?
offset menu.
Then we'll double click or we'll select it and point 2 inches, right? Similar double click here. Okay. Then push pull 0.75 inches, right? Okay. And now like this. Okay. See. So now we'll do one thing from the okay. We'll increase the door. First of all, level it and then extrude the door in 1 inch. Okay, for
Why
the
is that?
easy to open, right?
Oh,
Okay, you can hold it here and open, right? Okay, so in this case, we don't want handle for the door, right? See, right now. So this is the portion for the opening, right? Uh, okay. So that type you can make the cupboard or any object. With the there is main 3 or 4 commands, right? This is the rectangle. First one is the rectangle, then line command, and then push pull. That was command. Okay. So with the help of these 4 5 commands, you can create beautiful design, right? Model. Okay. So just create like this. This is for today. आज बना के शाम 5 बजे से पहले मुझे दिखा के फिर जाना. Okay. You also create it. Yeah, new one. No problem. No? This is practice for you. Right? Okay. So what is the measurement you have? I think. Okay. You have also measurements. So create it in SketchUp. Okay. 5 o'clock तक आपके पास टाइम है. हाँ, she will give. Okay, she will give. Okay. So this is over for now. Okay.